In this video, I'll show you how to transcribe voice recordings on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So simply go into settings, and then under settings tap on TECNO AI, and then here you should scroll through and find recording summary. So tap on that and then select try. Now you can also get to this point by simply going into the recorder app. Also go to your app drawer and find recorder and tap on it. It's going to land you on the same page. Now to transcribe a voice recording, you should see this icon next to the recording that you have. So all you have to do is tap on that icon, then allow the recorder to send you notifications, give the necessary permissions and agree. So it's going to detect the language in the recording, and once it does that, if that's the correct language, you can manage the language from here. But if that's the correct language, simply tap on summarize, and it's going to generate a summary of that particular voice recording. So wait for it to finish. And once the summary is generated, it's going to be saved in the Notes app. So you're going to get a notification at the top here, or you can simply tap on this icon there, and it's going to take you to that summarized voice or transcribed voice recording. But that's basically how to transcribe voice recordings on your TECNO CAMON 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. I hope this was useful. Let me know if it worked for you. Until the next one, take care and God bless.